Have you ever wondered why breakfast pastries are often sweet? Let's explore the history, ingredients, and cultural significance of these morning treats. Breakfast pastries come in many forms, from flaky croissants to savory Turkish cheese-filled options. The variety is vast, but sweetness remains a common theme. Sweet pastries are not just about taste, they also provide energy in the morning with sugars and fats. This helps kickstart your day, making them a popular choice. Cultural influences play a significant role. In France, croissants are often enjoyed with sweet jams or chocolate spreads, while in Turkey, some pastries include sweet fillings like dates. Nutritional considerations suggest balancing sweetness. For example, whole grain, flour, and nut-filled options offer healthier alternatives to traditional sugar-laden pastries. Historically, sweet treats were reserved for special occasions. Today, they have become a staple in breakfast menus across the globe, reflecting changing culinary norms. In conclusion, sweetness in breakfast pastries is not just about flavor, but also energy and cultural traditions. Enjoying these treats can be a delightful way to start your day. So there you have it, the sweet science of breakfast pastries. What's your favorite type? Share in the comments.